Hello guys, this video is on while loop which is executing infinite number of times. Now we will see how it is happened. We have taken a variable name a which is equals to 0. Then we are initializing the while loop, and in the while loop we are given the condition a less than equals to 10. Then we have printed hello. Now you can see the output on our screen. You can see hello is printing as infinite times. In infinite loops we are not writing the incremental statement, so that's why the loop runs infinite times.